What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Shogu here with another short video. Today I want to show you guys how you can make any sound effect out of anything that you hear and you want to add it to your video. Okay? To do this little trick, you're going to need 3 pieces of software, and if you're here at this video, you probably already have them, chances are. Okay? But I'm not going to go into detail on how to use them, just for what's needed for the purposes of this video. If you want to go into detail about them, there are other videos and tutorials on YouTube to help you along that path. Okay? First thing you're going to do is identify the sound effect that you want. For me, it's a fart effect, okay? I'm a 5-year-old. I like my farts, okay? But say this download thing isn't here and there's no way to download it, okay? Maybe it's not there. Maybe you're a dumbass. Maybe it's Maybelline. Who fucking knows, okay? But what you're going to do is get your first piece of software, OBS, or in my case, Streamlabs OBS. All right? Doesn't matter which one you get. As long as you get one of them, download it, install it, get your display capture and your audio settings and everything ready to go. Again, go watch another tutorial on how to get that set up if you don't have it already. You're gonna go ahead, hit record, play your effect, back to it, hit record again to end it, and what you'll end up having is this right here, little snippet that I already have. Okay, then after that, you're gonna go ahead and get your second piece of software, VLC Media. Download it, install it, open it, go to top left corner to media, convert/save, right here, file selection, add, find your little snippet, boom, open, convert/save. Okay, you're gonna go down here, make sure it is audio MP3, down here to destination file, hit browse. You can choose wherever you want. Me personally, I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my videos file, fart SE for sound effect, save it, start, and boom, your fart sound effect. Now, lastly, you're going to get your third piece of software, which is Audacity. Download it, install it, open it, push it, pull it, bop it, file, open, fart SE, open, and you'll be greeted with the audio version of your video. Now what you're going to go ahead and do is you see how it's flat and then your lines and flat. Yeah, that's your actual sound effect right there. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit effect and hit compressor, click OK. It's going to take all the wavelengths and make the quiet stuff louder and the louder stuff quieter. Basically keep it all on the same wavelength, pun intended. Going to go ahead and get to the beginning of it, highlight everything behind it, and delete. Do the same thing at the other end. Delete. And then you have your sound effect. Okay? Now you're going to hit File, Export Audio. I'm just going to hit Fart SE. Done. Say, actually save your actual thing, whatever you want, doesn't matter. Save. Okay, because no one cares about any of that. It's not important. And here you have your finished product. Bada bing, bada boom. Just like that, you have the sound effect. You can put it in your video plugin, do whatever it is you want to do with it. And hope that helped you guys out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If it helped out even one of you guys, this video was not a waste of time, and I can feel accomplished. Go to sleep very, very happy. Hope to see you guys in the next video or stream. Peace.